During the concert, we ask no twisting, rocking, shaking, kicking, or reaching out and grabbing other band members or swings at any time. Thank you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Stay seated until your Silly Symphony Swings comes to a stop. Then lift back off, and walk to their steps. We hope you'll come swing again soon with our Silly Symphony.
Remain buckled and seated until the swings get to the ground at a full complete stop. Thank you.
And be sure to watch your children. Once we're given the all clear from our conductor, the concert will begin.
Para su seguridad y para que disfruten del concierto, por favor, permanezcan sentados, agárrense fuerte y no traten de girar, balancear o agarrar otro cochecito mientras estén en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Una vez que el conductor nos dé la luz verde, empezará el concierto.
Oh.
We got perfect info on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, pull down, pull down.
Alright friends, at this time, bring those swings to a full, complete stop, facing forward. During the concert, no twisting, rocking, shaking, kicking, or reaching out and grabbing other band members or swings. Thank you. Back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Oh my god!
For your safety, please do not twist and
Wow.
swing. Thank you.
Kid. That's the idea. That is awesome.
And so our concert ends. Please stay seated until your Silly Symphony Swing comes to a stop.
I'm a little dizzy.
Check
Oh boy.
your belongings and leave from the nearest exit. Thanks for swinging with us. Feel free to breeze on by anytime.
Please remain buckled and seated until the swings get to the ground. Thank you.
Ooh. Okay. Maybe no more spinning rides for a while. Whoa.
I didn't know they get on them. I didn't know you had to pull it up and see it.
Welcome aboard, Silly Symphony fans. For your safety and to fully appreciate our concert, please remove all loose items, including strapless shoes, sandals, backpacks, cell phones, and glasses, and place them in the